Part 5. Why this is the only thing that works. The truth about working trading systems. With over 15 plus years of experience in the trading markets and extensive testing of market data for over 30,000 real human hours, we've discovered what truly works and what doesn't. The truth is that nothing else works except for the strategy we teach here because we have put in the effort and work required to understand markets deeply. Through manual testing of each individual candle, one by one, and meticulous recording of the results, we have gained an extremely fine-tuned and advanced understanding of how markets move and the prevailing patterns. This level of knowledge is now offered to you for free so that you can understand and run your own trading business with a proven, effective method. It's essential to be cautious of anyone charging money for trading courses or strategies, as if they genuinely work, they should be available for free for anyone to learn and use. Our mission is to equip and empower traders to succeed by providing them with the knowledge and tools to avoid common mistakes and fast-track their trading experience by over 20 plus years. Quick tips about the trading industry. Many trading strategies and systems fail because they lack extensive testing and understanding of market data that requires testing all market data. It takes at least 5 years of market data to verify the viability of a trading system and then testing it across all other markets and time frames to verify if it will withstand the tests of time. We have done this hard work for you so that you don't have to. Consider this catapulting your trading knowledge 20 plus years into the future. Now,